Are you looking to customize CrankWheel for your business needs, but not sure where to start? In this video, we'll walk you through how to tailor this powerful tool to suit your specific requirements, whether you're a small business owner or part of a large organization. Stay tuned to find out how to maximize CrankWheel's potential, and we'll also introduce you to a few game-changing alternatives that might serve you even better. First things first, when you log into CrankWheel, you'll notice the dashboard is pretty straightforward, but customizing it can make your experience far more efficient. The key here is understanding how to set up your settings for smooth integration with your business processes. You can easily adjust settings for your team, define permissions, and set up your brand colors to make sure the software feels like part of your business identity. Next thing, let's talk about creating personalized sessions for your customers. CrankWheel allows you to launch live screen shares with 0 downloads. But to really make this feature work for you, set it up to auto-load your pre-configured templates. You can save time on each call, ensuring that you can instantly show potential clients or customers exactly what they need without extra hassle. It's all about streamlining communication and making your business appear more professional while improving your efficiency. The third thing you should customize is your call to action options. CrankWheel offers the ability to add custom CTAs to your screen sharing sessions. Whether you're encouraging viewers to make a purchase, sign up for more info, or download your latest brochure, you can set these up to display at strategic moments during your presentation. This helps you stay engaged with customers while they're viewing your screen and can increase conversion rates. The fourth thing, let's talk about integrating CrankWheel with other tools you already use. CrankWheel supports integration with CRM systems and email tools. You can sync client data directly to ensure your sessions are personalized, keeping everything organized. But here's a pro tip. Make sure your CRM is configured properly with CrankWheel to avoid disconnects in communication that could slow down your workflow. Now, while CrankWheel is a great tool, it's not the only option out there, and depending on your business needs, there might be alternatives that are better suited to what you're trying to achieve. These tools can offer more robust automation, integration, or customization features that could better support the scale or goals of your business. Finally, if you're interested in giving CrankWheel a try, we have an exclusive offer for our viewers that gets you an extended free trial and some extra benefits you won't find anywhere else. But if you're looking for a more comprehensive solution, we've also highlighted some amazing alternatives that come with their own free trials. These platforms offer a deeper level of customization for business needs like yours, so be sure to check out the links in the description for your best deal. By signing up through our link, you get access to the best trial available and unique benefits that are exclusive to our viewers. Whether you stick with CrankWheel or explore other options, you'll be well on your way to enhancing your business communication and customer engagement strategies.